Hey, just got welcome back to sort of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cooler here, and then what this is a pressure cooker from the Buffalo Cookware brand. This one right here is a 12 liter, but they do have it available in different size. Whether if you guys want a smaller one or bigger one, that is totally up to you guys. This one is designed as a commercial pressure cooker that you can use at home, in a restaurant, or anywhere else. It is big enough for your small restaurant or even for like maybe home usage if you guys want to. So this is what the packaging looks like when you guys first get in. Let me open up and show you guys what's included inside. So the first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. So for this product, you guys can feel free to use it on electric stove top, gas stove top, and even induction cooktop if you guys want to. And then right here, I do have the product. So if I do remove the wrapping on here, once I do remove it, this is what the pot looks like. So the whole entire pot itself, or the pressure cooker itself, it is very high quality, and they do use, I believe, stainless steel material. And the cool thing about their stainless steel material, or the material that they use on here, is the fact that it won't rust over time when you guys use it. Even if it has like stains on here, they do have this solution that you guys can use to clean it that I showed you guys before. That's meant for like stainless steel cookware. But the way how to design this pot allow you guys to use it as a pressure cooker to cook stuff very fast. So for example, if you guys want to open up the lid here, just twist it, and that will open up the lid. And this is what the inside of the lid looks like. And this is the outside. So pretty much when you guys are cooking stuff in here, this part right here and the bottom part right here, it will pop open or it will pop down. And I'll show you what I mean in a second when we do cook stuff on here. And when you guys first get the pot out for this part here, you guys have to put it in here, just like that. So that's everything that's on the lid here for the inside and the outside. And then right here, we do have the outside of the pot. Like I mentioned, it's 12 liters, so it's very big. So you have to put a lot of stuff in here if you guys do want to. So this is what the inside looks like. And then here is the bottom. And then both sides, we do have the handle that won't get hot over time when you guys do use it. So feel free to hold it there when you guys want to lift it around and carry from one place to another. But that's pretty much everything that's on the product. One way now is to bring this over to the stove top. Maybe add some water in here and give it a try to show you guys how you guys will use the product when you guys do use it. Because the way how you guys use this, it is slightly different than your normal cookware for the pressure cookers where you can plug it into the wall. This one you guys can cook it on your stove top, whether it's like electric stove top, gas stove top, or even induction cooktop. And you guys have to watch your time to calculate how long it takes. It's not like the one where it's electric where you guys have to push a button to activate it. So in a way, this one works a lot better, especially if you guys do use it at home or even in a restaurant to cook stuff, especially if you guys can't wait too long. So let's bring this over to the stovetop area and show you guys how to use it and what it actually looks like when you guys use it. All right, so I just added some water inside and I put it on a stovetop right here, which is like a electric stovetop. It works a lot better if you guys were to use it for your gas stovetop. But all I added inside was some water. So once it boils, I'll show you guys what it looks like in the inside and also on the outside as well. But all you guys need to do right now is just wait. All right, so I just opened up the lid and see how there's a lot of steam coming out because the water inside is actually boiling. So one right now is put it on the lid and show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys close out the lid. All right, so I just closed out the lid. If you guys give it some time, you guys can see how the lid will actually pop up a little bit in terms of this part right here because of all the steam that's building up inside. So wait a few minutes and see what happens. All right, so you can see how both sides right here is starting to bubble up. So watch what happens. All right, so watch what happens when I let go. Both of those pop up. So those are the sealer options to seal all the steam inside. If you guys give it like a few minutes for the steam to actually be all absorbed inside, all the pressure of the steam will be stuck inside to help you guys fast cook your stuff. So just to show you what I mean, if I were to pull this up, see what happens? So all the pressure of the steam comes out on top. So pretty much all the steam is being like pressured inside to the pot so that will help you guys fast cook your stuff. So whether if you guys are cooking beans or cooking like pasta, or if you guys want to make soup, or if you guys want to slow cook anything, maybe like a broth or like maybe just some kind of recipe, it will help you guys on here to really cook a lot faster, especially if you guys do make pho. Let me do it one more time to show you guys what it looks like with the pressure inside. All right, so I love how that is how you guys release the pressure on here. Very easy and very simple to release all the pressure inside. And once you guys release all the pressure inside, you guys will open up the lid. So what I'm doing right now is release all the pressure and then we'll open up the lid to show you guys the inside. So before I release the pressure on here, I do want to move it to one side. So I'll move it over to right here and then we'll give it a try. All right, so now that we move it over right here, let's remove all the pressure inside. I do want to mention for this part right here, when you guys release the pressure, feel free to pull it all out if you guys want to. But if you guys do release it like this, it's much safer. But it is more ideal for you guys to take the whole entire thing out. That way you can release it much faster. Let me show you what I mean if I do pull it all the way out. But before I do, let me just put on a glove to show you guys how it does work. So that way I don't hurt myself when I do use it. Alright, so here's my glove. Let's remove it. So that is a fast way for you guys to release the pressure on here. You'll see how much pressure is being released on here, which is pretty much the steam. So I'm waiting for it to release all the pressure on here, then we'll open it up. Alright, so it looks like I just released all the pressure because if you can see on both sides right here, it went down and there's less and less steam coming out. So now if you guys do open up, take your time when you do it. But if you guys do open up, there's a lot of steam that comes out. I'm gonna put that on the glove first. If you guys do open it, you guys can really see how much steam comes out when you guys do take it out. And that's what the product looks like inside once you guys do take it out. So very easy and very simple to use the product. So if you guys are trying to look for a pressure cooker to use at home or maybe in a kitchen for a restaurant or something to fast cook your stuff, definitely works really well when you guys do use it. But that's pretty much what the product looks like when you guys use it. Very easy and very simple. Welcome back, guys. So nice a quick test of product and definitely actually does work and should work quite well. If you see how easy it is for you guys to use the product, whether if you guys want to boil water in there or if you guys want to use it for like making maybe beef stew, making chilies, whatever you guys want to make in there, even if you guys want to make like bun bo wei or like pho, anything that takes a long time for you guys to cook stuff, if you guys want to cook a little bit faster and probably lose a little bit of flavor since it does cook faster and not longer, you probably won't get that full flavor on there for some dishes, so keep that in mind. But it will cook a lot faster when you guys use it, which is pretty cool. But we see how when I do use it on a test for a very simple test to add water in there, you guys can see what happens when you guys do let the pressure cook the stuff inside. So if you guys imagine if you guys were to add like beef for beef stew, for pho, bun bo wei, or any other dish that you guys can make on there, it works a lot better when you guys do use that, which is pretty cool. Just be careful when you guys use it because there's gonna be a lot of steam when you guys do open the valve to release any steam out. And very important for you guys to fully seal the lid by matching the arrow and then twisting it to lock it in. So remember that as well. But that is pretty much everything that's on the product. Now that I show you guys what the product looks like and what is actually included, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality pressure cooker to use, especially if you guys don't want to use one that's electric and instead you guys want to use it on your stove top to cook stuff much faster, whether if you guys want to make stew, pho, or any other dish that takes a long time to make it and you might lose a little bit of that flavor on there. If you guys don't mind all of that, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have new one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.